Hello and welcome back to the Driven Dave YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. And in today's video, we're going to be featuring some really slick wheel covers. If you have the 18-inch aero covers, these are going to be a really nice replacement. These are the arachnid style wheel covers, very similar to what you would find on a 21-inch Model S Plaid. This is that wheel style, and it looks really, really great on my Model 3. As you can see it driving through the streets, looking super awesome. I have had these wheel covers for quite a while, and I just got a fresh set, so I wanted to share them with you and show you what they look like. And obviously, this is after I installed them on the car. In today's video, we're just gonna kind of go over what to expect in the installation process, how it all works out, and I'm gonna show you what to do. So the first thing, you're going to start out with the wheel cover, take it out of the box. Hopefully you know how to do all of that. And then you're just going to apply, they have this really nice weather stripping little tape, and you're just going to run that around the side of the wheel. Nothing too fancy, nothing too complicated. Remove the backing and just line it up with your fingers there. It took me approximately a minute and a half per wheel cover, so really not a big deal. And you know, it's a fun little project for you to do. Once you've gone all the way around the rim, you can simply just kind of break it off with your nails, no big deal, or you can use some scissors if you want to. And then repeat that process for all of the wheels. Next, you're going to need the center cap. They have some different center cap options. I just went with flat black on this one. Top tip, if you have recently trimmed your nails, you might want to wait till your nails grow out a little bit, because removing that adhesive backing can be a little tricky. The next step, you just want to line up the valve stem with the valve stem little cutout in the wheel cover, and then you're just going to kind of hit it. You can see no special tools required, just my hands, and there you go. And what's really great about these covers, not only do they look really good, but they protect the rim of your car. So like if you have any curb rash, this is going to cover that up. And if you damage these wheel covers, you can buy new ones for a very affordable cost. And look at how good that looks. Same thing here. We just line up the valve stem, and then that's it. I try to apply a little bit of pressure, or give it a good whack, like right in the middle where the center cap is, and that's going to help that center little mounting point kind of grab on a little bit better. And finally, the last cover, same thing, line up the valve stem. And I mean, as you can see in real time, and this one was giving me some trouble, but it only took less than 10 seconds. And just make sure, look around the wheel cover and make sure everything is covered. And that's it, my friends. As you can see, driving away, looking super slick. And I just can't believe just how sinister the car looks with this cover. I think the silver and black is a great combo. Some of my friends have bought this for their white cars. Looks amazing. So I really haven't seen a color where this doesn't work out. Also saw it on a red car, super slick. Saw it on a black car, and it's just a really, really slick combo. Now do me a favor, if you like these covers, you want to get some for yourself, check the link in the description. I'll pass along whatever discounts I have for you. There's going to be a discount code there, and EV Base is super awesome. I ordered these and they showed up within like a day. So really, really great. Shout out to my friends at EV Base. Thank you. I've got another video coming on another style that they sent me, which looks super cool as well. So it's a great way you can dress up your car, you know, change it for the seasons if you want. And I mean, there's just never been an easier way to upgrade your car than this. And I think this is one of the most impressive and most obvious upgrades you can make. So I think you're really, really going to like it. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And do me a favor if you can, if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you very soon in the next one. Stay driven.